Hello everyone, this is V Buzzy with V. Welcome to another video. Well, today's video is a guest design team project and I'm super excited to show you guys what I've made. Unfortunately, it's not a craft with me like the others. There just wasn't enough time for that for this project or these two projects. So I'm featuring these dies from Scrap Diva Designs. This is her card right here and her website. It'll be linked below. That's scrapdivadesigns.com. As well as I will have a discount code down below, which is V10, and that's VEE, and then 1010. So, okay, so these dies right here. So let's go ahead and get into this one right here, the Ferris wheel heart. Oh my goodness, you guys. You guys are going to fall in love with this one because it's such a fun die. There's so much that you can do with this. Unfortunately, I was able to show you one project. Okay, so here are all the other pieces. I did do an unboxing. So this is what it looks like right here. So let's go ahead and get into that project. And I really hope that my camera does this justice because it's such a cutie. You guys, I can't with this. I really can't. It is the Ferris wheel. And as you can see, these are the pieces here. So this is what you get right here. So what I did is I fussy cut 2 pieces of acetate out for my shaker element. And then I did a lining for this for a total of 3 pieces. And then this one was just 1 piece. So, and then this, so I did cut out 3 of the base. So I cut out 1 of the cardstock and then 2 of the solid color stock for Michael's. So that's what I did there. It is such a cute little die. So I did make it into a shaker. I'm using the Happy Hearts collection, which I absolutely love. It doesn't have red. However, I incorporated red in it with the heart. A subtle look. So let me get these out of the way because they are very bright. And I know they do mess with my camera here. So I just want you guys to look at this right here. As you can see, so I started off with the little basket. And then I added, because you have the option to add this little layering piece that's kind of like an umbrella for the basket, and or you could add a lining as well. It all comes with the die. I did do an unboxing. So I wanted some bows here because I think bows are such a cute thing. You know, we always decorate with bows, and the only thing that I could think of to put there was hearts or bows, and then I decided, hey, I'm just gonna put both. So I added some 3-dimensional bows here, which have been sewed, and unfortunately I was unable to find my die. I have a little bow die that I use. However, I needed these bows to happen, and it had to be in this color here. So I went to my Silhouette design store and I picked up a bow and I just shrunk it down to this little tiny piece. So this is roughly about a 1/2 inch wide. Just have to shrink the SVG file down to at least 1 inch, and then you can get this. Such a cute little bow. So I will have that linked below if you guys want to have that file. And then right here I added some of these heart beads right here, did some wire wrapping, and then again in the back I did some sequins, and then right here I did some stitching as well, and then the lining of the heart is also stitching. So this love sentiment chipboard piece is from the Sweet Talk by Simple Stories. I've been playing with that lately, so that's what that is. And I love this little memory decks. It's such a cute memory deck. You could do so much with this, you guys. You can make a little pocket in the back. You can make a little box in the back to add some goodies for your swap partners. So cute. I want to show you these hearts as well. So this is kind of like what you get from the lining. So you can use this for packaging or fold it in half and use it for something else. So that is my memory deck. So let's go ahead and get into the next one. So the next one is this right here. you do get the memory decks, you get the lining, and you also get this piece here to make to cut out some acetate if needed. And then you get this extra heart right here, which you can decorate how you'd like. And so this is what it looks like. It's this piece right here, the lining, then for your acetate, and then this tiny little heart. So let's go ahead and move that to the side because that's super bright. So what I did with that memory decks is a little heart box. I have not made a heart box before, and a lot of people have been making heart boxes. I really wanted to make one out of Scrap Diva's memory decks die, and so you guys, it is possible to make a little box. And so I'm using Sweet Talk by Simple Stories. I added some sequins back there that was gifted to me by Marissa, who is the Pink Ape. I will have her linked below. And then added some other glittery sequins back there that was gifted to me. And so this is what it looks like. I did fussy cut this koala out and then stitched him. He's such a cute little fussy cut. I loved it. I'm using these stickers, and I do not know. I know they're American Crafts, but I don't know for what collection. But I also use these hearts here that came in that pack. Okay, so it is a shaker. So let's get into it. You see, it's a little box. Let's go look in the back. So the back, I love making the back just very neat and very tidy and clean and just nice. And so let's go ahead and open it. So this is it right here. And here are my embellishments that I already had made a video on with Erica's heart, scallop heart die. And so this is the inside. So very easy, very simple. And you guys can make a box with this die, and I just love this die. So all I did was just cut 2 pieces for the front, for the top heart. So I cut 2 3/4 inch in width, and then they're 7 inch in length. And so I did one on this side and I did the other on this side. So do you see this heart right here? So that heart is this right here. The inside of that heart is right there. So, and then here is this is foam from Hobby Lobby, and I cut that out with this one right here. This is the lining, and I also did the lining. I cut out a piece for the lining on the top, and also use this one for the acetate. So that's how the lid was made. So the bottom heart was made also the same way, minus the lining. So what you do need is you need the base. So the base is under here, and then you need the heart. So there's a heart in the back. This is it right here. And then you need to glue all of those together. As you can see, there's layers there, and then this piece right here goes in the middle. And all I did was just trace the heart out using the inner portion of this die, and then fussy cut it out to put that heart inside. You may have to snip a piece here and there to make it fit, but I did fit it in the end. So for the 2 sides that makes the side of the heart, so what I did was I cut a 1 inch piece. It's a 1 inch in width by 7 inches, and I did score it on 1/4 of an inch to make the little flaps there. So I wish I had a craft with me for you guys, but unfortunately I didn't. Hopefully you would be able to make it on your own. So that is my project share here for these 2. And I know the lighting is probably off because of the glare, but oh my goodness, I hope you guys could really take a look at these, because I really love this die. This die is just such a cute die, and look at what it makes. So these dies make some cute little cute memory dexes, you guys. And I was debating on making this one into a pocket, so I was gonna put the lining on the top and then do the sides halfway, make a little pocket, and insert my embellishment. However, I made it into a box, and you've seen tons of these boxes all over social media, but I haven't made one, and so it's my first one, and so I'm very pleased with how everything came out. Hopefully you guys are too, and stay tuned because I do have 2 more dies to showcase for Scrap Diva Designs, and hopefully I will see you there. So you guys, this concludes the video, and I will have Scrap Diva's information linked below, as well as my information, and I will see you guys in another video. Bye!